I want to see if someone can help me fix my truck. I think I titled this "Help Me Fix My Truck," and kind of sounds like a country song, doesn't it? But anyway, got a 2002 Nissan pickup. It's got about 146,000 miles on it, right around there. And again, I know it's a 2002. It's 21 years old. Why do I care about this truck? Well, it's not worth a whole lot, but I do like driving it. I got the truck from my dad when he passed away in 2016. And the biggest thing was, just besides it being his truck, it's a little more than that. This truck kind of represents his happy place. I mean, this was the truck Dad used to go fishing, put his little boat behind it and go down to the river or to any number of lakes around South Arkansas there. Used it to go hunting, go deer hunting, drug many a deer out of the woods with that truck. And, it just represents what he enjoyed doing. So when I drive it, I just really feel close to him, and I just want to keep driving it. But that being said, the truck has a P0302 error, which appears to be a cylinder 2 misfire. So what I've done so far, I started out just replacing the plug in cylinder 2, ended up replacing all of them. Didn't seem to help, so I came back and did the wires also. Probably should have just done them at the same time, but I didn't. I ended up doing the cap and the rotor. It took a little bit of time, spent a little bit of money on it, not too bad. All this work needed to be done anyway. I mean, this vehicle's, 21 years old, and I'm pretty sure Dad never had any of this work done. I never have. Moved on to the next thing I could come up with, and I replaced the fuel injector, but only the cylinder 2 fuel injector. So I'm looking at what to try next. I'm still getting the same error. The vehicle idles decent. At road speeds, it runs pretty well, although it uses quite a bit more gas than it normally would. My gas mileage just went from about 23 down to 16. But, at about 40 miles an hour, it is shaking and missing so bad. So that's the horrible, when I'm driving in town or something, it's just horrible. If I'm out on the interstate, it's not that big of a deal, but I do want to get it fixed. So I would love to hear your comments on what I should try next, what I can possibly do. I've done the little water test where you spray a bottle of water all around your intake and see if you got a leak anywhere. Nothing happened there. I quite haven't convinced myself to try spraying something flammable and see, if I see a kind of surge in the engine. I don't like the idea of taking flammable liquid and spraying it all around my engine. But anyway, let me know what ideas you got on how to troubleshoot this, or what would be the next thing I should replace. I really appreciate you guys' help.